Hello dear colleagues, partners and investors. You're at the channel of the project DoingOps Motors. We all know what the main goal of the project DoingOps Motors is. Specifically its construction of the engineering center in CEZ Technopolis, Moscow, located at the Labushevo site not far from Zelenograd. The future engineering center will work on designing new generation motors based on the combined winding technology Slavyanka, and also on creating the manufacturing line and fine-tuning workflow processes necessary for producing pilot batches, which in future will allow to assist motor development customers in adjusting the production on their territory. It's possible to talk a lot about the capabilities and functions of the future center, since it's really large-scale and multifunctional complex. That's why we will address it in other videos on this channel. And now we're saying that a lot of work has been done for constructing the engineering center. We completed the application form for entering the CEZ Technopolis, Moscow, with all the required papers that had to be prepared in abundance. We also prepared the terms of reference for the construction of the center, choose the constructor, etc. We should emphasize signing the agreement on entering the CEZ Technopolis, Moscow, that took place in the framework of the Russian Investment Forum held February 14-15 in Sochi. And the later event says that we have officially become the resident of CEZ, and consequently have been assigned a land lot where preparatory construction activities are getting started. Now you will witness the first visit to the site and will be able to assess the scale and scope of work that we are to complete. As you can see, there is really a lot of work to do. In order to level the terrain, it's necessary to uproot the most vegetation, and it's not a simple task. In the near future, the construction site will be opened and we will start preparatory activities. That's why, in order not to miss any important information, subscribe to our channel, click on the like button and bell icon and repost this video. I'm Alexander Sudriv. See you in the next video.